Heatmasters, over 50 years of experience in heat treatment and industrial heating solutions. We provide both high-tech heat treatment equipment and a wide range of services globally. Heatmasters furnaces can be used to complete various heat treatment and heating processes. Heatmasters furnaces include innovative technology such as digital temperature control systems. Our furnaces are custom tailored to meet the end user's process and sustainability requirements. Let's take a look at some of the available furnace types. Heatmasters provides a wide range of lifecycle services from modernizations to routine maintenance, which ensures that furnace operations are optimized, sustainable, and cost-efficient. Contact our team of experts to discuss your furnace requirements and find the best solution for your needs.